The character evolution, so I say that they are socially constructed. So if you look from the 30s to the 2000-ish, there are two things that don't change. The suit never changes. So one of the key characteristics of a superhero is that they have to have a very tight suit. That's a requirement of the job. Particularly colored, it shouldn't just be so that we recognize them, which is kind of funny considering that most of them have hidden identities. What else doesn't change? And this being an American superhero, there is a particular characteristic that American politicians, if they want to be elected, they need. The hairstyle. So, but what they need is a full bunch of hair. None of the superheroes, if you look, are bald. Although if you're going to do a statistical assessment of the male population, I bet you that you're going to have a pretty significant one that has that. Well, the haircut does changes because the 1980s and the 2000s is not quite the same. The other thing that changes is the way in which they are portrayed. So this one in particular, by the 2000-ish, they get grayer, darker, heavier. And like I was saying earlier, this postmodern dimension of being a little bit burned inside by dilemmas. What is right, what is wrong, what should I do? Okay?